Here we have cabinet repair and replace countertops. First thing you want to do, draw out your plan. Grab this measurement, the center measurement for the sink, this measurement, this measurement. This measurement here is pretty standard when you buy your countertop. So, first one. 0.438. This go from the corner. To there. 38 3/4. This is where you want to measure. You can see the center of the sink is not lined up with the center of the cabinet. I'll go off the cabinet. So it's just right here. And there, 43 1/4. Where my center of the sink used to be. And now from that corner to the end. Okay, that was 100. But as you can see, it's definitely time for a new counter. Now they do have companies that will come and spray it, but can't have big gashes like this. You might can feel that, but it's better off replacing it. That right there, that's fun too. Repair that for you too. To remove the countertops, first thing you want to do is take out all the drawers, because it's screwed in from the bottom up. It's usually screw here, screw there. Might be sometimes a screw in here, but you'll know once you take the screws out and lift up on it, see if there's any more screws on it. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Remove the drawers. By the way, these are the things you're gonna need. Container to catch the water when we disconnect the plumbing. Got a little knee pad. This, sometimes the caulk is on the wall thick, you gotta scrape it off. Chili knife, cut the caulk. Washer wrenches for the plumbing underneath. Drill, a long bit, sometimes it's a square bit. A hammer, also to assist with the chisel. Light, and a bucket for garbage. Okay, there's your screws. I like them roaches. Screws out. Now let's just wear it out. And set it to the side. Okay, now take out the access caulk. clean all this up. Put the new one on. Screw it back up. Recaulk. This one's pretty much the same. You just gotta disconnect the plumbing. If you turn off the water here, down here, all the water's already disconnected. That's good. So now I just gotta disconnect the drains. Then it's the same procedure. Okay, when taking off the drain lines, you want to disconnect it from the top, some channel locks. Because if you take it down from here, this pipe might be in the way when you go to pull the countertop off. It usually hits right here, gets stuck, and you'll be fighting with it. So just disconnect it from there, on the other side. Cut my caulking. See, I pulled it away from the wall. Now I can lift up on it. Take it outside. I'm gonna take it outside, cut it right here, and throw it in the dumpster.